Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Bose SoundLink 2 mini speaker and I'm going to show you how can you easily change your voice prompts language. To change your voice prompts language, you have to hold your finger on this multifunctional button that is in the middle and plus button.
English. Español. Para seleccionar español, mantenga presionado el botón multifunción.
Now we have to switch between languages by this plus and
Para
minus
seleccionar
button.
español. English. To selecting. Język polski. Ruski. Nederlands. Português. Nederlands. Português. Italiano. Nihongo. Deutsch. Français. Español. English.
As you can see,
Español. English.
there are a lot of languages here.
English. Press and hold the multifunction button.
Now, to select this language, you just have to hold this button over
To
here.
select English. Connected to OPPOA40.
That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.